Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn about JavaScript Map Object. The JavaScript Map Object is a built-in data structure that allows you to store collections of key-value pairs. It was introduced in ECMAScript 6, ES6, and provides a more flexible alternative to the traditional JavaScript object for creating associative arrays or dictionaries. Unlike regular objects, which only allow strings and symbols as keys, a map can have keys of any data type, including objects and functions. Let's see the practical example. First, we create a map object. You can create a map by passing an array to the new map constructor. Next, I use console.log method, and in this method I pass our map variable. Next, open your browser, inspect page and select console. Here, you can see I get the map object, and at this no value in it. Now, I want to add some value in map object. For this, we can use set method. In this set method, first we write a key, and second we have a value. So, in this example, apples is our key and integer is our value. We enter two more element in map object. Now, you can see in console I have an element in map object. You can also directly set element in map object without using set method. I comment set method, and in console you can see I don't have an element in map object. In map object we can create an array. Again, we create an array, and in this array we add key value pair. So, you can see in console we can successfully get an element. So, I remove this array because we set element using set method. Now, I want to get the value of an element. For this I use get method. I copy console.log, and in this I use get method, and in get method we pass the key of an element. So, in this example I pass apple's key in get method. In console you can see we get a value of apples successfully. For a better experience I write a message with value. Now, in console you can see, value of apple is 300. I copy console.log method. So, now I want to check the size of map object, mean how many element are in our map object. For this, we can use size method to get the size of our map object. In console you can see size of our map is 3 because we have only 3 element in our map object. So, I add one more element in map object. You can see size of our map is 4 because in map object now I have 4 element. If we want to update the value of an element, for this we can use set method to update it. Again I use set method, and in this time I update the value of apples. For this, you keep in mind pass a same key. In console you can see the value of apples will be updated to 10,000. I remove this line of code. Now, I want to delete 4 element from map object. For this I can use delete method. I copy the console.log method, and in this I use delete method. In this method we can pass the key of an element, so I want to delete 4th value, and its key is mango, so I pass mango here. Next I change the message. In console you can see delete mango is true, it mean our mango element was deleted from map object. So, I copy this console.log method and paste after delete method. Now, you can notice before deleting an element I have 4 element in our map object, but after deleting an element you can see I have only 3. Now, I want to clear all element from map object. For this we can use clear method. After clearing an element from map object we can print map object in console. You can see in console our map object will be empty. Now, I remove this clearing code. Now, I want to iterate key value. For this I use for each loop. In for each loop we can use callback function, and in this we pass 2 parameter key and value. You can give any name to it. In callback function we can use console.log method. In console.log method we can use a backtick, and in this I pass key and value parameter. Key store the key of, and value store the value of an element. In console you can see I successfully iterate a map object using for each loop. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.